Hello everyone. I am Akshay Kumar Jain from Government Engineering College Ajmer. I am in final year BTech student of Computer Science Engineering Department, and I am going to present my seminar on the age of artificial intelligence, in short the age of AI. I warmly welcome all my friends and faculty to this presentation on the age of AI. I am sincerely thankful to my mentor, Mr. Esen Taji sir, who has motivated to work on the age of AI. Further, I am thankful for Mr. Ravinder Singh to present my seminar on YouTube. Now, what will topic this cover in this presentation? So, today's agenda. First topic is need of artificial intelligence, why we need artificial intelligence, why human can believe in artificial intelligence, all these topics. Introduction to artificial intelligence. In this topic, what is artificial intelligence, type of artificial intelligence. So in this topic, how many types of artificial intelligence is available, and history of artificial intelligence, how artificial intelligence is developed, what is history, all this topic covered in this topic. And fifth point is artificial intelligence applications. So what is application in real life available in artificial intelligence challenges, what were starting initial days in challenges are covered in this topic. And future of artificial intelligence, what is future, what is effect of artificial intelligence in our life, all can be covered in this presentation. So first point is need of artificial intelligence. So need of artificial intelligence, why we need artificial intelligence. There are many technology available, but why we need it? So some factor is driving the renewed interest. Availability of big data from source including e-commerce, business, social media, science, and government, which provide raw material. So there are lot of data available. So the first issue was happened that how information can be retrieved from data. So a technology can be developed. This technology is known as artificial intelligence. And second point is dramatically improved machine learning approaches and algorithm like deep learning, machine learning, visual perception, image processing, speech recognition, and many more. All this type of artificial intelligence. And last point is relying on the capabilities of more powerful computers. In today's scenario, there are more powerful computers available. So introduction to artificial intelligence. There are three terms available in artificial intelligence. The first term is intelligence, artificial, and artificial intelligence. So what is intelligence? First, the ability to learn and solve problems. This is called intelligence. What is artificial? Artificial is produced by human being rather than occurring naturally, especially as a copy of something natural. This is seem like a natural, but this is not natural. This is called artificial. Now combine both terms, artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer program or a machine to think and learn. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines. So artificial intelligence create intelligent machines. They can think like its own. So what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the development of computer system that are able to perform tasks that would require human intelligence. Uh, Artificial intelligence machines things on example of these tasks are visual perception, speech recognition, image processing, decision making, translation between language, and many more. So there are how many types of artificial intelligence is available? So there are mainly two types of artificial intelligence available. First type is strong artificial intelligence and weak artificial intelligence. So strong artificial intelligence, a machine with strong artificial intelligence is able to think and act just like a human. It is able to learn from expressions. It can store records, so it can able to learn from those data. Since there are no real life example of strong artificial intelligence yet available, but best representation would be Hollywood robots. They can be strong artificial intelligence examples. Weak artificial intelligence. A machine with weak artificial intelligence are made to respond to specific situations but cannot think for themselves. This is different from strong AIs because strong AIs can think themselves, but this cannot be think themselves. But there are many more examples available of weak AI because they are specific to situation like temperature control, many more image processing. So, what is history of artificial intelligence? So, history of artificial intelligence. In the first 1950, when the artificial intelligence started, some people are thinking about it, how machine can think, how can machine be improved. In 1955, the artificial intelligence term was coined, yeah, introduced terms. In 1974, computer become faster, affordable, but after that, AI winter has been came because a lot of issue were happen, funding issue, promising issue, biasing issue, many more issue which we will cover in the next present slides. In 1980, the year of artificial intelligence, because which issue are happened are all those solved by in 1980s years. In 2000, landmark of AI established achieved, because we all know uh, today we can what we can do in artificial intelligence and what we cannot do. How this is achieved. What is the timeline of AIs? So AI timeline is in 1950, the first Turing test is जो computer scientist Alan Turing proposed a test for machine intelligent. If a machine can trick human into thinking, then it is human. Then it is intelligence. In 1955, the term artificial intelligence is coined by computer scientists to describe the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. In this 1955, he combined the science and engineering. In 1961, first industry robot Unimate is produced, which goes to work at replacing human on the assembly line. In 1964, ELIZA chatbot, which is developed by Joyce at MIT, hold conversation with humans. In 1966, the first electronic person from Stanford Seki is a general-purpose mobile robot that reasons about its own actions. After that, AI winter come. In this winter, many more issues happened. In 1997, a chess playing computer from IBM defeated world chess champion in Deep Blue. In 1998, Kismet. In 99, Elbow. Sony launched first consumer robot per dog Elbow AI robot with skill and personality that develop over time. In 2002, Roomba, first mass-produced autonomous robotic vacuum cleaner from iRobot, learned to navigate and clean homes. In 2011, Siri. Apple integrates Siri, an intelligent virtual assistant with a voice interface, into the iPhone. 2011, Watson. In 2014, Iguin. In 2014, Alexa also produced. Alexa is Amazon launch Alexa. Alexa is an intelligent virtual assistant with a voice interface that complete shopping tasks and many more. In 2016, Microsoft chatbot goes reviews on social media. In 2017, AlphaGo AI. Google's AI AlphaGo beat world champion in the complex board games of Go, notable for its vast number of possible positions. So, what is applications? So, artificial intelligence application in many areas. Some of areas shown. First application, healthcare. In healthcare, many places is it is used. Like a person has a disease or not. In cyber security, in government, in video games. In video games, many kinds, many type of artificial intelligence applications used. In military, in hospitality, advertising, agriculture, education, character recognition, handwritten recognition, speech recognition, face recognition, photo, video manipulation, email spam filtering, chatterbots, robotics, intelligent agent, and many more. There are a lot of applications available in this today scenario. The first application was Rover. The rover was a remote control robot which is used by NASA to explore the surface of Mars. The rover, it is a real time example, and real life AI example many more like self driving cars, Boston Dynamics, navigation system, Asimo, chatbots, human versus computer games, and many more. Some of features are shown like chatbots, chess, AlphaGo. AI challenges. What is challenges produced in initial days? The first challenge was building trust, because if a machine cannot does this task, then it is not affordable. Yeah, not required. So first is building trust. Second, AI human interface, investment, high expectations, data security, algorithm biasness. All these AI challenges is available. And future of artificial intelligence. So what we can achieve in future decades. So first is getting around with AI. We are notice that we are all around with AI. AI and robotics will come together. How will AI technology change our lives? Your face will become your ID. Receive better medical care. Caring for children and the elderly will be easier. The intelligence age is changing the rule of our day-to-day operation in unaccepted ways. So will AI make human become unemployable, or will it make human more valuable because of their unique knowledge? This is important point because this is thanks you.